So today I'm gonna make the Oyakodon, basically just the chicken and egg with the sauce over rice. I'm not gonna talk much because it is very simple dishes. Just wanna show people how to make the easy meal, especially if you're very busy at work, school, so you can just easily make that at home. I hope you guys enjoy. Keep watching. Cut the carrots. I just need some color. And then add onion. If you think you need more onion, you can cut more. So, green onion. And then some michiba, called Japanese parsley. I usually cut at the end so I can put in the plant and they can grow by itself. It's really fast and quick. Yeah, because now everything, the price going up, so if I can grow anything, I just try, like onion, mitzvah, minced leaf. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff you can grow yourself. You don't have to go buy it because, like, imagine that this is $3. What's the point you spend so much money for that? Next one, chicken. What I'm gonna do, I check if any bone inside, or you can actually get the bone. You just take out at home because that one is cheaper. So usually I cut out the fats, but you know some people like it. So up to you. So this is very simple dishes. I don't think I'm gonna marinate the chicken, but you know if you want, you can actually marinate some pepper, salt with that, like a couple minutes. Yeah, that would be taste better. So pretty much it's just like this. I think 5-10 minutes to do the preparation. It's pretty simple, easy. One scoop of dashi. That's a yellow onion. Let it sit like 5 to 6 minutes. After the egg, you can put some chicken, put some green onion, everything together. Again, cover that about 5 minutes. This is what I just make 3 people meal Oyakodon after I think less than 30 minutes. Nothing fancy. I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, see you guys next time.